Welcome to the Intuitive Hour with psychic medium, author, and intuitive life coach, Michelle Beltran. The Intuitive Hour will empower you to learn how to magnify your intuitive voice. Listen in and expand your understanding of what it means to be psychic and how to awaken, amplify, and trust your inner voice.
Welcome to this meditation. Today, you'll release any feelings of anger, resentment, frustration, or the like surrounding events, situations, or people you love. In this meditation, you'll come to the center of who you are. And these low vibration energies will no longer have a grip. Together, we'll find harmony in your energy field, restoring joy, love, equanimity in your day and your relationships. Energy blockages, and even chronic pain. I'm delighted to guide you into a very deep state of physical and mental relaxation. This time is very important for you, so there is no need for any interaction with the outside world. We'll come back to all the to-dos of the day after this meditation. You are now in a very safe and secure place, and absolutely nothing will distract you. For the duration of this meditation, this time right now is entirely yours. Nobody needs you. You have nowhere to be and nowhere to go now. So just be grateful for this moment exclusively for you. This occasion of rest and relaxation is to nourish you from the inside out. You deserve this break from the busy world around you. Give that to yourself now. Allowing for this date with yourself is allowing the natural sources of healing and strength that are within you to become fully present. Bring awareness to the fact that each moment that passes by is part of your life experience. It is here, and it is now, and then it goes. It becomes only a memory. As humans, we have a tendency to want things to be different from how we are experiencing them right now. But we are going to let this desire vanish and allow things to be exactly how they are. Don't try to change anything or even wish that it will change during this meditation. Experience letting yourself be exactly how you are in this very moment and finding peace with it, accepting it, accepting all of it. Any judgments you have about yourself or critical things you usually think about your body or mind or even other people or situations, that can all just fade away now. Those things don't matter at all during this date, during this time with yourself. There is no right way to feel, just as there is no wrong way to feel. Feelings are simply just feelings. Acknowledge how you are able to sense any sensations in your body in this moment and accept it. It's completely okay and safe to feel whatever you are feeling. Good. Let that happen. Allow your arms to feel heavy by your sides. Notice what your fingertips are touching right now. Can you feel your thumbs in particular? How about your pointer fingers? Sense what they are touching. Perhaps just the air. And your ring finger. All of your fingertips. What might they be touching? Become aware of your breathing now. Just follow it. And don't change anything about it. Just breathe. Next, bring awareness to your belly. Just observe. Just feel your belly rising and falling with your breath. Your belly expands and contracts when you breathe, just like a tiny baby when they breathe. This is the most natural way to breathe in and out, expanding and contracting. Now, become aware of your toes, noticing each one of your toes in the same way you did your fingertips. What do they feel like? And what are each of your toes touching? I wonder if you can imagine that when you breathe in, your breath can travel all the way down to your toes. Breathe in and breathe out, downward to your toes now. And on the out breath, allow your entire legs to relax. Let them become very deeply relaxed. Good. Just release. Now, use your imagination to witness your breath as you breathe in and out. Your breath is going all the way up to your head, filling your mouth, nose, eyes, and ears. And on the out breath, your head becomes more relaxed than it has ever been. Inhale all the way into the tiny areas of your brain. This restores your mind. And on the exhale, your mind becomes more open and more relaxed than it has ever been before. Whatever feelings you're having right now, just notice them as if you are an observer sitting and relaxing on the beach, watching the great and powerful ocean. You can only see the surface of this ocean, but below there is much happening and great change taking place. This ocean, it is a representation of you. Just observe. Right now, your body is accessing its natural healing capabilities, and you don't have to do a thing. All you need to do is relax and observe. Look out upon your ocean. That is a representation of you. And breathe in the truth and the knowing that all is well and that all is being taken care of. All the ocean needs from you is your kindness and trust. Very good. Allow yourself to relax even more now by feeling the warm, gentle sun caressing your skin as you rest on this magnificent beach. The sun is healing and allows for growth of all life on earth. Feel your feet in the sand and notice how soft and soothing it is. Perhaps you can even hear the waves crashing on the sand nearby. You are fully able to let go here, in this space, in this moment, upon this beach. There are no desires, no feelings, It is void of thought. You are simply and completely present in this moment, enjoying and watching your ocean, and knowing that you don't even need to see what's going on below the surface. All is well in the great waters that represent you. Gently allow yourself to become aware of your surroundings in the present moment. Be with all of it now. In your time, as you're ready, open your eyes, come to the present moment, feeling gratitude for yourself, and this deep, healing meditation experience.